If you've ever forgotten to turn the porch light on and return home after dark, or you've taken your dog on a late night walk, you already understand the benefit of outdoor motion sensor lights. The best outdoor motion sensor lights, which turn on automatically when they sense movement, provide a sense of security and enhance safety around your home overall. There are numerous options for cheap LED sensor lighting, every with specific capabilities, blessings, and charges. I conducted a ton of research, studied a ton of opinions, and positioned a list of the top low-cost LED sensor lighting from sincere manufacturers to help you make a knowledgeable desire. Following significant research, I found that these merchandise are pretty useful for individuals like you. If you need to know about the price and different statistics, make certain to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. LEONLITE LED Outdoor Motion Sensor Floodlight. Durable, long-lasting, and offering high light output, the best outdoor motion sensor light is this pick from LEONLITE. With a detection range of up to 70 feet, a 180-degree detection angle, and 1,800 lumens of light, this fixture can light up your whole backyard, or at least a large portion of it. One reason this pick is the best outdoor motion sensor light is you can choose from several modes. The on-time mode lets it work like a normal light without the motion sensor, while the auto mode operates the motion sensor. The dusk to dawn mode sets it to turn on at dusk and off at dawn, so you'll always have lighting when you need it. Plus, each lighting mode can be adjusted by a switch on the side. The detection range is adjustable, so you can opt to have it cover a smaller portion of your driveway or yard. The heads can also be rotated 360 degrees to point the light in different directions. You can also set the timer for the motion sensor light from 5 seconds to 5 minutes, depending on your preference. Made of die-cast aluminum, the fixture is durable, waterproof, and resistant to corrosion. The LED bulb will save energy when compared to similar incandescent bulbs, and should last up to 50,000 hours. The light's color temperature is 5000 K for a daylight appearance when turned on. Because it's hardwired into the home's electrical system, keep in mind that you may need to have an electrician install this fixture for you. Number 2. HMCITY Outdoor 120 LED Solar Lights. For a less expensive option, the best outdoor motion sensor light is the set by HMCITY. The lights have multiple operating modes and come in a set of 2, so you can illuminate more than one part of your home's exterior, including patio lights. The lights can be installed on the side of your house, garage, shed, or fence. The solar lights feature 3 different modes: security mode, permanent on all night, and smart brightness mode. Security mode will turn on only when it senses movement, while the permanent setting turns on at night and stays on. The smart brightness setting is on all night and becomes brighter when it senses movement. The plastic fixture is waterproof and weather resistant, so it can stand up to the elements and work in all types of weather. The wide light beam angle of 270 degrees helps these motion sensors pick up on movement all around the light. Just keep in mind that the detection range is only up to 26 feet, which may not be far enough for some homes. Number 3. Good Earth Lighting Smart LED. Want an outdoor motion sensor light that can be controlled from your phone? This Good Earth Lighting pick might be the best outdoor motion sensor light for you. The light features smart capabilities and features dual sensors for added security. Instead of climbing a ladder to control the light, you'll be able to change settings on your phone through the Good Earth Lighting app. You'll also be able to use voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, making it even easier to operate. Plus, if your Wi-Fi goes out, it will connect with Bluetooth wireless technology, so you'll still be able to use it. Unlike some other lights, this model allows you to adjust timer settings from 1 minute to 10 minutes. You can also choose a detection range between 5 and 100 feet, which comes in handy, especially if you end up moving the light to an area that needs more or less light. You can also change the light's brightness from 20 to 100% capacity, as well as choose between different color temperatures. The light has dual sensors, one with a 240-degree detection range and another 360-degree sensor. The 240-degree sensor will detect motion of up to 100 feet in an outward direction, while the 360-degree sensor works when it's mounted 14 feet above the ground. Number 4. LEPOWER 35W LED Security Light. For a LED option, the best outdoor motion sensor light is this pick by LEPOWER. Using just 35 watts of power, this light produces an impressive 3,500 lumens of light, making it an energy-efficient choice for the high amount of light it provides. The light features a large detection range of 72 feet, so it can cover a generous area of your yard. When the motion sensor security light is triggered, you can set it to stay on for any time between 10 seconds and 10 minutes. You can also adjust the 3 security light heads and the motion sensor head to point in different directions, so it works well for your particular space. The fixture is made of durable aluminum, and should operate for 50,000 hours before you'll need to replace the outdoor light. It's worth noting that it doesn't feature a dusk to dawn mode, unlike some other options, so keep that in mind if you prefer that added level of security. Number 5. SANSI 45W Motion Sensor Outdoor Floodlight. If you want a floodlight style, this SANSI style is the best outdoor motion light for your home. It produces an impressive 6,000 lumens of light, which is enough to illuminate your whole backyard or driveway, and then some. Plus, the motion sensor light will be triggered by humans, cars, or animals up to 72 feet away. With this light, you can choose from 4 different modes. Auto motion sensor, dusk to dawn, on time, and test mode. The auto motion sensor will turn the light on from 1 to 10 minutes at night when motion is detected, while the on time mode lets you switch the light on and off like a normal light. The test mode turns the light on for only 5 seconds when it detects motion during the day or night, and the dusk to dawn mode automatically turns on the light at dusk and off at dawn. You can also adjust the 2 security light heads and motion sensor heads to point them in different directions as your space requires, a handy feature as the light may be too intense for some spaces. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.